Speaking of extra items, I think one thing that we see a lot of people point to in the delivery space is batching of orders, right? And in food delivery, I'm not the biggest fan of batching because, the second person who, gets their order second, they now get kind of like a cold burger and fries. But I feel like it's a really good use case for packages or sort of like what we're talking about here, same day delivery, things that you don't need in the next 10 to 15 minutes, but you want it sooner rather than later. So I'm curious what your thoughts are on batching and how that might play into a driver's earnings here.
Yeah, and I think I'll connect it from the driver to the customer. Right? It all starts with the customer. Customer will tell us how they need that order. Do they want it fast?
Hmm.
Some cases, or do they have time, or they want it any time in the day? In the cases where it's a slower SLA, that's where the opportunity comes in for the drivers. Like if you're going in that sort of the west side of the store and
Yeah.
taking one or two packages, why not take eight more packages and make eight like more money through those
Right.
eight packages extra? So that's it. Really provides a good opportunity for densification on our side as well as providing extra earning opportunities on the driver side.
Hmm.
And I would say that, yeah, the unscheduled or batching delivery is sort of a key area of strength. We actually have a very strong team working on the best in class routing algorithms and logics that are sort of helping drive it.